The new Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P by DJI have some amazing features that make them stand out in the world of smartphone gimbals. The Osmo Mobile 7 is built with an easy-to-use, lightweight design that folds down for easy storage and portability. It has a 10-hour battery life, and you can even charge your phone while using it, which is a great convenience. One of the highlights of this gimbal is its ability to connect to the DJI Mimo app, which offers features like time-lapse, panoramic mode, and dynamic zooming. The Osmo Mobile 7 also includes a built-in tripod, so you no longer need to carry an extra piece of equipment. The new folding design is simpler and more convenient than the previous version, making it even easier to set up and use. With the Osmo Mobile 7, you also get face tracking capabilities using the Mimo app, which ensures that your face stays in focus while recording. For those looking for more advanced features, the Osmo Mobile 7P offers additional functionality. While it shares a lot of similarities with the Osmo Mobile 7, it comes with a zoom wheel that allows you to zoom in and out easily with a simple turn. The 7P also has an extensible arm, giving you more flexibility in how you position the gimbal. The added bonus with the 7P is its magnetic phone clamp, which connects to a multifunctional module that enables even more control over your shots. Both models are equipped with a 3-axis gimbal system that stabilizes your footage, ensuring smooth, shake-free videos even when you're on the move. The Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P are perfect for content creators, as they provide flexibility in tracking subjects, whether you're walking or filming at a distance. With the ActiveTrack 7.0 feature, these gimbals can keep your subject in focus as you move around, which is a game changer for vlogging or action shots. The new multifunctional module is another impressive addition, especially with its ability to work with the DJI Mini Mic system for high-quality audio. By connecting the gimbal to the module, you can improve the sound quality of your videos significantly, which is important for content creators who want professional-grade audio. The module also allows you to adjust the lighting with a built-in light, which is useful when filming in low-light conditions. This feature can be easily controlled with a dial to adjust brightness or change the color temperature, ensuring your subject is well lit. One of the most useful features of the Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P is that they can charge your phone while you use them. This means you don't have to worry about your phone battery running out while filming. If you're out and about capturing videos and notice your battery getting low, the Osmo Mobile has got you covered, keeping your phone powered up so you can focus on getting the perfect shot without interruptions. All in all, the Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P are fantastic tools for content creators looking for a reliable, high-performance gimbal that offers both ease of use and advanced features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these gimbals give you everything you need to create smooth, stable, and well-lit videos with excellent sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. And if you own one of these already, let us know how it's been working for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.